So first of all, I would like to remind members of the opportunities about the motion in most life. So it talks about the life of animals is exactly the same as extinction in the motion side. But they came up here and tell you that when we visit the second week of the opportunity was saying in one chapter, yes, we agree that human have the different value, animals have a different value. They have their own inherent values. But still, we have to like they don't have the same values. But still, we have to treat them equal. So the motion slide itself, info slide itself says this. They exactly have the same values, so they should be treated equal. That's one number that I want to tell you. And then they cannot tell you that we have to support the animals and support continuously they were talking about the support with the animals, but they didn't mention what kind of support as people that we have to extend to the animals. We were talking about circuses, we are talking about places where animals are exploited, but we didn't mention what kind of support that we have to extend to the animal. What kind of so let's say something to show you. And then, coming to the idea of survival, this day, one first fortunate, saying that we have pet animals at home, and we are making it so, but animals elsewhere is not treated exactly as them. So what we are trying to ask is, for example, pet animals, for us, dogs are pet animals, but countries like China have practicing eating animals like this, insects, so many things. So what I would try to say is, for us, it can be something that we may consider that we should consume dogs or should consume certain animals because they're saying, but for country that no even who are apart from us, it might be very much better equal. So if we are considering, like we are always conversing, we have to consider equal right. So equal right means we have to consider equal value. They didn't say what the value is it about the emotion we are talking, is it about the fear we are talking. They didn't mention about that as well. So coming again to the point, animals have fear, animals have feelings. What about the animals in the forest? Are you going to suddenly say that nature is always not very clear? There are instances where wildfire comes up, disaster comes up, in that time they get very clear. And how are you going to save that animals? How are you going to save the animals from the fear? And he also said that snowman coming up and saying that animals and humans are equal. The famous singer, Percy Peace Science, he kept saying animals and humans are equal. Why don't you just use humans? During the COVID-19, he said that the 504 famous volunteers to try to eat it. I think that's what it is. Why don't we just say, why don't we just use this animal, getting a consent letter, but just like it's donating a human organ. You donate a human organ after it dies. You don't just go and experiment on a person. So they are the people, they are the heroes, but he's the main person who coined the term criticism that we came up with. And he talks about this and he talks about it totally. How is the behavior that you talk about? And even you came up saying that this is not practical. He came up saying that this is not practical because not we are talking about the stereotypes because there are valid reasons this is not practical. As our customer said, if we are going to talk about their feelings, then we are going to practice. We are eating chicken. We are eating this is not their cannibals. Even animals think it themselves when we consume their own animals. They are practicing cannibalism. So how are you going to talk about that? And how I hope they intervene in a wildfire and say, this is their emotion, don't you like that? This is going to be very, very problem. So we understand emotion very well. Understand that we should consider the welfare of the animals. But we should be bringing up reforms such as using optimal electric slammer. Yeah, we can just make their, we can just bring up reforms such as countries like UK brought up laws to protect the seals of the earth. It's not always like humans coming very directly. I want to remind you there are laws that UK brought to protect prevent them from the fear of sin. So we should be grateful of God that it is that we want this inclusive equality is not going to fear, not going to be supporting.